Yeah, what's up, guys? Mikey Guitar is back with another episode of lesson for today. Okay, so for this lesson, I want to show you some typical area licks you can apply in your African praise song. Okay, when you're improvising. Okay, based on our native high life songs. Okay, and um, and I'm gonna make the breakdown in this video for you to understand. Okay, everything they played in the video. Okay, it's very simple. So if the first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay, guys, so let's move into the video right away, and I'm going to give you the breakdown of the video and everything they play. Okay? I'm going to show you the breakdown of that African praise Makusa. Okay, the song there is in the key of C sharp. Okay, the song there is in the key of C sharp. Okay, and this is the key of C sharp, and we're playing it on the other interval, not like. Okay, that is the key of C sharp. Okay, C sharp. Okay, then you have your C sharp here also. From this shape you can play. Okay. Okay, so they are playing on this shape now. This is the key of C sharp. This is C. This is C sharp. Okay, they are playing on this shape now. This the e-book song. Okay, and the progression of the song is so if you want to play on this shape, this kind of a bar chord, straight chord here. Okay. Fa, so, do. I believe you might be familiar with this shape. Okay. Oh yeah, the Marguerite. So the chord progression is oh yeah, you go to your 4 chord, which is the Va, Do, now your 1 chord, you go to your saw chord now, which is your 5 chord, okay, so the chord signatures is just 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So in this shape, they come on this shape now and play the lead line there. Okay, something like that. They just stay on the saw note there. You know, when it comes to Ariaria music, African music styles like that, it's really on the third note here. Okay, on these 1, 2, 3 strings. Normally used to play them. Okay. So. Okay. So another thing you need to learn is how to, pick your strings on a double note, stuff like a kind of a doubling, okay, stuff like this. Okay. Okay. Then I play. So just la re re la now the la do do is like going to your va chord now. Okay, then the T now. Okay, the T now is like going to your saw chord there. Okay, like going to your saw chord there. Okay. Okay, then I play the. That is sol la sol la sol, re va mi, okay. Okay, so that is it. That is some licks it plays on that song there. Okay, so if you don't understand it, don't worry. Just give me give me in the comment section. I will give you some. Okay. Another thing you need to know about Ariaria music like that, African music, that they likely play stuff like this. Okay, stuff like that from your octave, saw octave to the first string octave. Okay, saw, la, okay. So that is kind of you're gonna play. Okay, so stuff like that, you can keep on practicing that. Okay, practicing that. I believe it get used to you and you understand it perfectly. Okay.